Aloha YouTube, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to charge my 2022 Volvo XC40 Recharge using Electrify America. There's one near me in the Pearl City Walmart. Enjoy. Aloha. Alright, so we're going to use the ultra fast 150 kilowatts. Everything's good to go. So what I have to do is first of all, don't mind my doggy. In there, and now I have to use my card, my app. So I'm gonna click it right here. It's saying it connected to the car. You got the gas. This is your price, 37 cents a minute. But I am a member, so now I would use my card. So it is initializing the charge. For some reason, the reader wasn't acting right, so I had to go in the actual app. And it says so 37 cents a minute at the 150 kilowatts. Well, 1 to 150. Continue. So, it's gearing up. Let's go inside and see how it's going. All right, so here we are inside. Let me get this going on so we don't have a conflict. Right now, the charging speeds are great. It's at 143 kilowatts. So it's saying it's doing 411 miles an hour. The current time right now is 6:58. 6:58. And it's saying that it'll be completely charged from, I'm at 19% now. I was at 17%. It'll be completely charged to 80% at 7:33. So a little over 30 minutes, about 35 minutes. Not bad. All right, more to follow. So one of the good things of having the EV, I can't speak for all of them. You know, everybody know that Tesla has a plethora of different applications, but I don't know if people talk about it as Volvo does too. So we have Epics and Tubi. I haven't gone in to see if anything else, but while I'm waiting, because I have till 7:29 and it's 7:59, so about 30 minutes, and I'll be at 100%. Well, not at 100%, at 80%, because that's what I gotta set. Look at there, I can watch movies. Yes, so we've got movies, TV shows. I don't know if you can see it. So we got movies, news, sports. Got stuff for kids and Espanol. So let's look at movies. The other day I was waiting on my wife. I was watching the movie, so I might as well go back to it. I'll just pick up from where I was at. And then full disclaimer, once the car starts moving, you can't watch. So it's not like you can watch movies while you're driving. It's all about safety. So let's go ahead and watch the movie. So while I wait, I can stream and watch. Or if I wanted to, could go inside Walmart, which you can't see. Yeah. But I'm gonna watch the movie. Okay, to give a little update, so it's 7:09.
Yeah, you do.
And it looked like it is.
From the future, and I just got paid.
Apple makes learning fun.
It started to taper down some. We started off at 400 some miles. So we're at a 50%. It's tapered down to 150 kilowatts. But we're still the charging speed at 308. So it's still saying projection in about 20 minutes, 7:30. Not bad. It went about 12 minutes from about 17% up to 50%. We're going to go into 80. So it'll be done in about 20 minutes. All right, more to follow. Okay, quick update. I'm at 69%, only going to 80. It has dropped down to 75 kilowatts. So it's slowing down, which I figured it would start tapering down so it don't overheat the battery, but almost done. All right, so I just did the first. I went from 17% to 80% in about 35 minutes. I'm the only one at the cabin, and let's go outside and see. All right, so you see it's done. 80%. Let's touch the screen to return. total cost was $11.85. It took a total of 33 minutes. And let's go ahead and stop. So now that it's stopped, got a 10-minute grace period. It just came up on my app and it just disconnected from the, so 80%, 33, final charge, $11.85. Alrighty, so now I disconnected. It said thank you. Oh, the tax applied. Hawaii had to get theirs, and it came to $13.09. Go ahead and hit finish, and it's good to go.